Hello. In today's video I will show you what you should do if you can't see your physically added new hard drive or SSD drive in your machine. So after you turn on your computer, you think that you will see your hard drives, and of course there is no hard drives here, your newly hard drives. There is only the old ones, like the system drive, system reserve drive, and that's it. But I just added new two hard drives, one of 1 terabyte, one of 500 gigs, and I can't see here in my system. So if you have the same problem, you should do like this. Press the second button on the Windows Start menu, then go to the disk management, and you should see your hard drives right here. As you can see, there is one 500 gigs, and here is 1 terabyte drive. So if you want to add this in your computer, you have to press new simple volume, press next, then you can assign the letter, let's make it like G, then press next. You can volume label, the volume label I think should be like data, then press next and finish. And now it's formatting, and as you can see we have the new hard drive data in my computer window. Here it is. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Newly added hard drive, physically added, but software no. So then you press new simple volume, press next, then assign the letter, let's make it L. Now next, make a name for your volume, let's make it movies, then press next and finish. Wait till the system will perform a format, and that's it. So now you know how to add your newly installed HDD or SSD drive on Windows 10.